You are going to love the 2019 Q7. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, Audi Connect satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.